Hello, in this video we're gonna perform a quick zoom test on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. We're gonna see how good the zoom actually is. So let's take a look. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit and we're gonna try by increasing the amount of zoom slowly. Let me actually move this up a little bit. And there we go. So now we have 7.1x, but we can of course keep increasing. There we go, we have switched the lenses. We lost a little bit of focus. So the quality is a little bit worse, but it's still not so bad. And if we keep increasing, we can increase up to 20x. Let me actually try to zoom out a little bit more. And to be honest, the quality is not so bad. We can see some details on the wheel. It looks pretty good, although it is pretty easy to lose the focus as well. Let me actually try to move my phone a little bit. And yeah, like I said, it looks pretty good. Once you get the focus, the quality is not so bad. So I'm gonna actually take the photo, try to take the photo over here. There we go. Yeah, I think I didn't do a good job with taking this photo. But the zoom works pretty good, so we have times 20. I think this is the maximum that we can use. For the video mode, I think it should be the same. Now, so for video, we have times 10. Let me actually try to use a different aspect ratio, just in case. So 4:3 is the default one. And if we try to zoom in, yeah, then we have only times 20. And in the pro mode, let's zoom in. Also only times 10. So the biggest zoom is actually available in the default photo mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.